So, this past summer, my grandma actually came from the Philippines to visit us, but unfortunately, she was diagnosed with cancer. And because of this, and because of her degrading health, she was not able to go back home. This forced her to not be able to see her family back in the Philippines, and unfortunately, she passed away without ever getting the chance to see them again. So, she was an optometrist back in the Philippines, and I had experience with VR and AR. I want to find a way to do the same thing that she did, give sight to people that need it. So, we figured out a problem, and that problem was hospitalized patients want to be better connected to their families, feel like they're at home, and delve into a place other than the hostile environment of a hospital. Insurance companies, they want to shorten the length of patients' hospital stays. While hospitals suffer overcapacity operations, and insurance companies faces challenge reimbursing long-term hospitalization costs. So, these past 3 days, we interviewed three types of people: doctors, patients, and insurance companies. Doctors brought up the problem of readmission as a real problem that hospitals are facing today, and patients gave us the thought of how much they value connectivity, and they said that the value of connectivity is priceless. The insurance company said companies are looking for any way that they would be able to bring virtual reality to make themselves a differentiator in that market and to enhance the patient experience. So what we developed was Vizion. Vizion is a hardware and software, where the hardware would be a virtual reality set of gear that would be given to the patient, and the patient would be able to, that gear would be paired up with another device that the families would be taking back at home. That VR device would be able to communicate audioly, while the VR device at home would be able to give them live streaming, both video and audio. Something like that does not exist yet. So we're about to play a quick demo on trying to visualize exactly what we're trying to do through a video through home care of someone's house that utilized 360 viewing. So imagine Precious is the patient, and she's looking with the VR camera. She's able to talk to them. She's able to say hi. She's able to see what they're doing around, and at the same time, they're able to converse back using this stream. It doesn't have to be a completely formal sense, but this just shows the capabilities of being a part of somewhere other than a hospital, where what better not be your family. So, what makes this different than FaceTime? Vizion is intimate, and from what the people that we talk to and from virtual reality in general, it's intimate. And it's also a one-way communication, solving the problem of two people trying to converse through virtual reality together. And it utilizes the different platform of virtual reality itself. So this is our business model. We plan to sell it to our customers, which is healthcare and insurance companies. And in return, they give us a fixed payment of a subscription fee. Therefore, we will be able to provide a service to the patients, which would incentivize insurance companies, say, hey, you are lowering the insurance payment and healthcare costs. So through the use of Vizion, there's a shorter length of hospital stays per patient, which is an average of $2,000 per person. And through Columbia University has shown that it has capabilities of lowering, through introducing someone that a therapist in medical costs, it has reduced the stay of patients by 11%. And let's say the lower payment cost for insurance companies would be minus $220. And in a macro sense, this is a $35,000 industry through the most conservative cost possible. This is only through people who stay 27 plus days, the data gathered through Medicare. And our target market through our revenue would be $250 million. We plan on taking a user-centered market, and by going to the users first and by providing them our product, proving to insurance companies that this can make a difference, insurance companies would be better equipped to providing us that funding. This is our team. This is what we're looking for: mentorship, seed funding, and partnership opportunities.